Hello students, hope you are all healthy and fine. Before starting my lesson, let me introduce myself. My name is Sagarika Samal. I am an English grammar teacher. So let's start our lesson. Today we will learn about adjective. So anything you want to describe about something or someone in words are called describing words. And these describing words are otherwise called as adjective. We'll learn the definition of adjectives. An adjective is a word that describes a noun. An adjective tells us more about a person, place, animal or thing. So this is a scale in my hand, okay, and this is a thing. So if I want to describe about this scale, how can I describe? That it is 12 inches long, it is flat in shape, it has measuring numbers on both the sides, it is made up of stainless steel. So there are lots of words we use to describe about this scale. Now let me give you another example. This is a pencil box. Okay. So if I want to describe about this box, how can I describe? That it is red in color, it is rectangular in shape, it has lots of picture on here, it is made up of plastic. So this is the thing this is the words we use to describe about this box. Now let's learn how can adjective describe into various parts. Okay students, now we will learn basic type of adjectives. There are 8 types of adjectives. Okay. First is opinion adjectives. Opinion adjectives. Second is size adjectives. Third is shape adjectives. 4 is color adjectives. 5 is age adjectives. 6 is origin adjectives. 7 is material adjectives. And last one is purpose adjectives. Okay. Now we will learn in detail with examples. Now we will learn how the adjectives can describe. Okay. First is shape. Second size. Third age. 4 color. 5 material. 6 quantity. 7 feelings. So now we will learn in detail. Okay. First is shape. The box is square. The box is square. We have different types of box at our home. Okay. Some are square, some are rectangle. So the box is square. So square is an adjective which shows what type of box it is. It is a square box. Okay. Now second is size. This is a big house. This is a big house. There are very big houses. There are some small houses. So this big and small are adjectives which describe about the house or the noun. Okay. So third is age. Third is age. My grandmother is old. My grandmother is old. Here, old is an adjective. We all have grandparents at home. So, they are much more older than our parents. So, old is an adjective which shows the person, shows about the age of the person. Okay. So, my grandmother is old. Now, next is color. Apples are red. Apples are red. So, we see different colors in our surroundings. Yellow, blue, green, white, black. So, apples are red. This red color is an adjective which shows the color of the apple. We have learned before that box is red. That box is red. So red is an adjective which shows the color of this box. Now, next is material. This is a wooden cottage. This is a wooden cottage. So here, wooden is a material. We have seen different types of materials, that glass material, wooden, plastic, everything. So, and this is a wooden cottage. Cottage means house. Cottage means house. So, wooden cottage means the house is made up of cotton. Okay. So, here wooden is the material which shows what type of house it is. It is a wooden house. Okay. Next, quantity. I have one pen. I have one pen. Here, I have one pen. One. Okay. Now, I have many pens. I have one pen. I have many pens. So, these one and many are the quantity which describe about pen. What quantity is also an adjective which describe about thing. Next is feelings. So, next is feelings. That girl is angry. That girl is angry. So, we often get angry in our home. Okay? We often smile. We often happy. So, this happy, smile, angry are feelings which comes upon our face. So, this angry is the feeling which shows about the girl. Angry is an adjective which shows about the girl that she is very angry. She is very angry. So now we will learn about different types of adjectives. Okay? We have read 8 types of adjectives. First is opinion adjectives. Now we will learn opinion adjectives, definition, examples and sentence example. So, what do you mean by opinion? An opinion is saying something or expressing something. People have different opinions. I have a different opinions. My father has different opinions. My mother has different opinions. So, everybody has different opinions towards something or someone. So, now the definition of opinion adjective is it explains what you think about something or someone. What you think, what you want to express about something or someone. It is called opinion adjectives. So, these are the examples like silly, beautiful, sad, sweet, happy. So, these are the expression which we can judge or we can express about something or someone. Now, let's see sentence examples. Okay. She is a sweet girl. She is a sweet girl. Here, sweet is an opinion adjective where it's my opinion towards the girl that she is very sweet. It's my opinion towards the girl that she is very sweet. So, here, sweet is an opinion adjective. Next is, the flowers are beautiful. The flowers are beautiful. So, in this sentence, beautiful is an opinion adjective which describe about the flowers, which it's my opinion that flowers are very beautiful. Next is, the people are silly. The people are silly. Here, silly. Silly is an opinion adjective. It's my opinion towards the people that they are very silly. They don't know anything. They are silly. Okay. Next is, I am very happy today. I am very happy today. Here, happy. Happy is an opinion adjective because it's my feeling. It's my opinion that yes, I am happy today. So here, happy is an opinion adjective. Now, the last sentence is, the old man is sad. The old man is sad. I saw an old man and I asked him, why is he sad? So, it's my opinion to ask the old man that he is sad. So, here, sad is an opinion adjective. Now, we will learn second type of adjective, and that is size adjectives. Yes, students, now we will learn about second type of adjectives, and that is size adjectives. Okay, that is size adjectives. And it tells you how big or small something or someone. It shows size of a noun. It shows how the thing is small, the thing is large, etc. And the examples are large, tiny, little, small, enormous. These are the examples of size adjectives. Okay. Now let's see some sentence examples. Our house is big. Our house is big. As I have told you before that adjectives describe more about a noun. Adjective describes more about a noun. So here in this sentence, house is a noun. House is a noun. And what type of house it is? It is a very big house. Our house is big. So here big is a size adjective. It describes about the size of the house. Next is, this is a tiny bug. This is a tiny bug. So here bug is a noun. Here bug is a noun. What type of bug it is? It is a very tiny bug. Okay. So this is a tiny bug. Here tiny shows the size of the bug. So tiny here is a size adjective. And it describes more about a bug, a noun. Next is, the small bat flies at night. The small bat flies at night. Here bat. Bat is a noun. And small. Small is a size adjective. It shows or it describes more about a noun, about the bat. What type of bat it is? It is a very small bat. Okay. Now, I ordered a large pizza. I ordered a large pizza. So, have you seen different types of pizza? That is regular, medium, large, and I love pizza. That's why I ordered a large pizza. What type of pizza? A large pizza. So here, pizza is a noun and large is a size adjective. Where it shows what type of pizza it is. It is a large pizza. I ordered a large pizza. Now, 5. The tank contains enormous amount of water. The tank contains enormous amount of water. Here, water. Yes, water is a noun and enormous means large quantity of water. Enormous means large quantity. So here, enormous describes the size of water or the amount of water. Okay. So here, enormous is a size adjective which describe more about water, a noun. Here the tank contains enormous amount of water. Now we will learn third type of adjectives, and that is shape adjectives. Now students, we will learn third type of adjectives, and that is shape adjectives. That is shape adjectives. It describes the shape of something or someone. It describes about the shape of something or someone. Examples are square, round, flat, oval, circle. These are the shape adjectives. Okay. Here, this is a scale in my hand. Okay. Now, the scale is flat shaped. Here, flat is your shape adjective which describe about this scale. Okay. So, now let's see some sentence examples. Here, earth is spherical. Earth is spherical. Here, earth is a noun. Here, earth is a noun and earth is spherical. Here, spherical is a shape adjective. Spherical is a shape adjective which describes more about earth, more about this noun. Earth is spherical. Second is the ball is round. The ball is round. So here ball is a noun and round. Yes, round is a shape adjective where it describes about the ball, about this noun. The ball is round. Next, the trees are conical. The trees are conical. So, have you seen the pictures of pine trees? Pine trees are conical trees. Okay, conical in shape. So, the trees are conical. Here, conical is a shape adjective. And, yes, trees are noun. So, here, conical describes about the shape of the trees. How it is? It is conical in shape. Next, 4. The knife is sharp. The knife is sharp. Here, knife is a noun and yes, sharp is an shape adjective which describes more about this knife, more about this noun. Here, the knife is sharp. What type of knife is this? This is a sharp knife. Okay. Now, 5. The book is rectangular. The book is rectangular. Here, the book is a noun and rectangular is a shape adjective where it describes about the shape of the book. How it is? It is a rectangular book. So these are some examples of shape adjectives. Now we will learn about next set of adjectives and that is age adjectives. Okay students, so now we will discuss about 4 types of adjectives and that is age adjectives. Okay, that is age adjectives. It tells you how young or old something or someone. It describes or shows age of something or someone. Examples are like ancient, new, young, old. Ancient, new, young, old. So let's see some sentence examples of age adjectives. Okay, first is this is an ancient book. This is an ancient book. Here, book is a noun. Here, book is a noun. And ancient is an age adjective. Ancient is an age adjective where it shows what type of book it is. It is very ancient book. Ancient means very old. This is an ancient book. It describes about the noun book. Next is his dress is new. His dress is new. Here dress is a noun. New is an age adjective where it shows what type of dress it is. It is a very new dress. So new is an age adjective. Now third is the house is old. The house is old. Here house is the noun. Yes. Old is an age adjective. So old shows or describe about the noun house. About the noun house. Next. 4. The young boy is playing. The young boy is playing. Here, boy. Boy is a noun and young. Young is an age adjective. It describes or shows the age of the boy. The boy is very young. The young boy is playing. So here A is an age adjective. So now we will discuss about 5 types of adjective, and that is color adjectives. Okay students, now we will learn 5 types of adjectives, and that is color adjectives. That is color adjectives. It describes color of someone or something. It describes color of someone or something. Examples like blue, red, white, black. We see different colors in our surroundings. Just like blue, red, white, black, yellow, green. It describes about something or someone. So, color is an adjective. Now, let's see some sentence examples. Okay? First is, flowers are red. Flowers are red. Here, flowers are noun. Flowers are noun. And red is a color adjective. Where red shows or describe the color of the flowers. Flowers are red. Flowers are red. Next, the sky is blue. The sky is blue. Here, sky is a noun. And blue, yes, blue is a color adjective. Blue is a color adjective. And it describes the color of the sky. What is the color of the sky? The sky is blue. Next. The feathers are green in color. The feathers are green in color. Here, feathers, yes, feathers are noun. Green. Green is a color adjective. Here, green is a color adjective. Where it shows the color of the feathers. The feathers are green in color. Feathers are green in color. Next. I don't wear black clothes. I don't wear black clothes. I don't like black color. I don't wear black dresses. So here, clothes is the noun. And black is a color adjective. Where black shows the color of the cloth. It's a black clothes, and I don't like black clothes, so I don't wear black clothes. So now we will go for the next part. That is number 6. That is origin adjective. Okay. Now students, we will discuss 6 types of adjectives, and that is origin adjectives. That is origin adjectives. It describes where something or someone comes from. Where something or someone comes from. If anybody asks me that, where are you from? Where you belong from? Where you belong to? That I will say that I am from India. I am an Indian. Okay? I have born in India, so I am an Indian. So likewise, the examples are like Indian, Greek, French, American. So these are the places where or someone comes from, where is his origin, where is his native place. Okay. Now let's see some sentence examples. Okay. First is I am an Indian. Okay. I am an Indian. If anybody asks me that where am I from, that I will tell him that I am from India. So I am an Indian. Okay. I am an Indian. So here I is a pronoun. I is a pronoun. And Indian is origin adjective. Indian is an origin adjective. Where am I from? I am from India. And that's why I am an Indian. I am an Indian. Now, the second sentence. They are Mexican people. They are Mexican people. The people which comes from Mexico, they are called Mexican people. The people which belongs to Mexico, they are called Mexican people. So here they are Mexican people. Here the people is the noun, plural noun. We can say plural noun. And yes, Mexican is an origin adjective. They are Mexican people. They are Mexican people. They come from Mexico. So they are Mexican people. American people are very fair. American people are very fair. So you have seen already American people and how much they are fair, they are white. So American people are very fair. Here people is plural noun. Here people noun or plural noun, and yes, American is an origin adjective. So here American people, where it describes the people of America, or you can say American people are very fair. Next, pizza is an Italian food. Okay, now we will learn about material adjectives. Okay. It describes what something is made from. It describes what something is made from. Example, this is a pen in my hand. Okay. Now, which type of material is this? This is made up of plastic. So, material is plastic. Like examples are wooden, metal, paper, cotton, plastic. Wooden. We see different types of wooden houses in our surroundings. We see glass houses. We see some houses are made up from bamboo stick. So these are the wooden materials. So metal. Metal is used to making jewelries. So it is also a material. Paper. Paper we can use in textbook, notebook. Cotton. Cotton is used in dress materials. It can be cotton, it can be polyester, it can be nylon. Okay, then plastic. As I told you before that pen is made up of plastic, box is made up of plastic. Okay. Now let's see sentence examples. Okay. First, it is a cotton dress. It is a cotton dress. I am wearing a cotton dress. I am wearing a cotton dress. So here cotton is a material. Adjectives. And dress is noun. So here it describes what type of material is the dress. No, this is a cotton dress. The material is cotton. Now that is a wooden house. As I told you before, that is a wooden house. Okay. Here the house is a noun, and yes, wooden is material adjective. type of house it is? It is a wooden house. It is a wooden house. So wooden is a material adjective that shows or describe about this house, about this noun. Next, the pen is made up of plastic. The pen is made up of plastic. Here, plastic is a material adjective, and yes, pen is the noun. So here, plastic is shows or describe about the noun pen. Now, this is a metal ring. This is a metal ring. This ring is made up of metal. Okay. This is a metal ring. Here, ring is noun and metal is material adjectives. The ring is made from metal. Okay, this is a metal ring. Okay. Now we will discuss about last type of adjective, and that is purpose adjectives. We will learn the next type of adjective, that is purpose adjective. That is purpose adjective. Its definition is, first, it describes what something is used for. What is the purpose behind it? What is the reason behind it? And it often ends with ing form. It often ends with ing form. Let's see some examples. Like sleeping bag, roasting tea, tennis racket. Okay? You can say that racing car, rolling pin. These are some examples of purpose adjective. Okay. Now let's see some sentence examples. First, I am writing a letter in writing pad. I am writing a letter in writing pad. So here the writing is a verb, action word. But when we add pad in this writing pad, we use the pad noun for a purpose, for a reason, for the reason of writing. Here, I am writing a letter in writing pad. In this sentence, the writing pad is known as purpose adjective. The writing pad is known as purpose adjective. Next sentence. He is playing tennis with a tennis racket. He is playing tennis with a tennis racket. So here, tennis racket is a purpose adjective. Here, tennis racket is a purpose adjective where we use this racket to play tennis. He is playing tennis with a tennis racket. Here there is no ing form, but tennis racket is also purpose adjective where we use this tennis racket to play tennis. Okay. Now next sentence. He is sleeping in a sleeping bag. He is sleeping in a sleeping bag. Here this sleeping is a action word. This sleeping word is a verb or action word. But here when we add bag, a noun with the sleeping, so at this time the sleeping bag is total called purpose adjective, where this bag is used for sleeping or this bag used for some purpose. So here sleeping bag is a purpose adjective. So another example is like racing car. Racing is an action word. It's a verb. But when we use car, the noun, so it is used for a purpose. It is used for a reason. So here racing car is also a purpose adjective. Okay. Now we will learn adjectives and different types of adjectives. Now let's learn possessive adjective. So students, now we will learn about possessive adjective. Possessive adjective. So here it occurs before a noun. It can be a singular noun or it can be a plural noun. It shows who owns it. It shows who owns it. The example like my, your, his, her, our, their, your, their, its. These are the examples of possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives. Now, if I write here that house. House is a noun. Here, house is a noun. If I say, who owns it? Who owns this house? If I say that I own it, I own the house, then I can write here, my house. I can write here, my house. If I say, who you own it, if I say, you own it, then I can write here, your house. I can write here, your house. If I say, a man owns it, if I say, a man owns it, then I can write here, his house. His house. If I say a woman owns it, then I can write her house. I can write her house. If the house is used as a thing, if the house is used as a thing, then we can write here its. Then we can use its. Its. So these are some examples of possessive adjective. Example of possessive adjective. Now let's see some sentence examples of possessive adjectives. Friends, now we will learn some sentence example. We will learn some sentence example of possessive adjectives. Possessive adjective. So first sentence is, this is my dress. This is my dress. Who owns it? Who owns it? I own it. I own it. So this is my dress. Here dress is the noun and who owns it? I own it. So here this is my dress. Here my is singular possessive adjective. Okay? My is singular possessive adjective. Next, that is our bag. That is our bag. So here our is a plural possessive adjective. Here our, you can say you and I means our bag. That is our bag. So here our is plural possessive adjective. Now third, her name is Ria. Her name is Ria. So here her is a singular possessive adjective. Her. Her name is Ria. Next, their house is big. Their house is big. So here there is a plural possessive adjective where it can show a group of people. It can describe about the group of people. So their house is big. Here there is a plural possessive adjective. Now tell me about your plan. Tell me about your plan. So here your is, you can say it is singular possessive adjective or you can say it's plural possessive adjective. When it is a single person, then you can say it's a singular possessive adjective. When there is a group of people or more than one people, so you can say that your is plural possessive adjective. So here your is possessive adjective. Now we will learn adjectives and also different types of adjectives. Now hope you will understand everything.